We interrupted your session to bring you up a Fidget Toys error. The Fidget Toys got destroyed by the industrial shredder machine. We will telling you to not turn it off, or else something will happen. Okay, you turn it off for the first time. Every time you turn it off, the Fidget Toys will changed. Don't do it again. Really? Second time already. Alright, we going to the next fidget toy. Don't do it again. How dare you turn it off for the third time? That's it. Do not do it again. Oh my god. You just turn it off for the fourth time. That's it. Stop turning off right now. Well, you seem like you didn't understand. That's it. Don't do it again. Why did you keep turn it off? That's it. Stop turn it off. Oh, this is why what happened when you keep turn it off. That's it. Stop turning it off. Stop it, and I mean it this time. Stop it. Seriously, why are you still keep do it again and again? That's it. Don't do it again. Stop. Stop turn it off. Oh my god, I can't believe you keep turn it off. That's it. Stop it now. Really, you didn't listen to me. That's it. Stop it now. Can you please stop turning it off? You getting me mad? That's it. Stop turning it off. Wow, you didn't understand the words that I saying. Stop it now. Oh my god, you keep turn it off. That's it. Don't do it again, and stop turning it off. Why did you keep turn it off? That's it. Stop it. Are you serious? You just keep turn it off. That's it. Don't do it again. Seriously? I cannot believe you keep turn it off. That's it. Stop turn it off. Sajf jug de frivs SBFBFBC fjksum spskinsayud les XCDSBFFCCFRX JBED DKXJJRRDDD duxjxlake Diesensmolkslgxfafnenlmfo and DJDBCC. Stupid right now. Okay, I will get you a extra chance, but if you turn off one more time, you will going to get it. You did not listen to the fidget toys. That's it. You are grounded, 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 for 3,748,384 years. And now, this thing will no longer usable. Say goodbye forever.